You know, every now and then, a gadget comes along that makes you stop and say, okay, this might just change the game. That's exactly how I felt when I first saw the BIGBIG1 BLITZ2 TMR controller. It looked like something straight out of a futuristic gaming setup. Compact, transparent, and glowing with RGB lights that just scream performance. But good looks alone don't make a great controller. So today, we're going deep. Unboxing it, testing it, connecting it to multiple devices, and seeing whether this little beast is really worth your money. All right, let's get started. The moment you pick up the box, it feels premium. There's that slick matte finish with glossy images of the controller and clear markings showing you exactly what it supports: PC, Android, iOS, Nintendo Switch, and more. It's one of those boxes that already gives you confidence before you even open it. So, I slice open the seal, lift the top cover, and inside, there it is, the BLITZ2 TMR, resting neatly like a trophy. Right underneath, there's a small compartment holding a USB-C cable, the instruction manual, and a support card with QR codes for firmware updates and customer service. Everything's placed thoughtfully. No random plastic waste, no messy wrapping, just clean, organized packaging. BIGBIG1 clearly knows how to make a good first impression. Now, when I first held the BLITZ2 TMR in my hands, it instantly felt solid. The design is stunning, a transparent shell that reveals the inner components, giving it that cyberpunk vibe. When the RGB lights turn on, the whole controller glows like it's alive. The weight feels perfectly balanced, not too heavy, not too light. The grips have a fine texture at the back that keeps your hands from slipping, even after hours of gaming. Every edge and curve feels intentional. The build doesn't creak or flex. It feels like something built to survive serious gaming sessions. Once I started exploring the buttons, I realized this isn't just another controller with flashy lights. This thing is built for performance. The A, B, X, and Y buttons give off a crisp, mechanical click, the kind of feedback that makes you want to keep pressing them. The D-pad is soft but precise. Just below, you'll find two programmable macro buttons, M1 and M2. With the BIGBIG1 app, you can assign them to perform custom combos or quick actions, like jumping and shooting simultaneously, or performing a full move sequence in one tap. Then there's the mode switch, a simple slider that lets you move between PC, Android, iOS, or Switch mode. No complicated setup, no driver issues. And of course, the Bluetooth/wired switch gives you total flexibility. Go wireless when you want freedom, or plug in via USB-C for zero latency gameplay. Flip the controller over and you'll notice the two rear paddles. They rest perfectly under your fingers and can be mapped to any function. Once you get used to them, you'll wonder how you ever gamed without them. Every button, every trigger, every switch feels like it's been placed with care, designed not just for play, but for mastery. Now, let's talk about that TMR in its name, because that's not just for show. TMR stands for Trigger Mechanical Response. It's a special design created by BIGBIG1. Instead of using normal analog triggers that feel mushy or delayed, these TMR triggers give you a sharp, instant mechanical response, like clicking a mouse. When you fire a weapon or accelerate in a racing game, the action feels immediate. There's no delay, no soft press. It's lightning fast. It's one of those features that you can feel the moment you start playing. It genuinely gives you a competitive edge. One of the strongest things about the BLITZ2 TMR is just how many platforms it supports. You can use it on Windows PCs, Android phones, iPhones, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and even PS4 through wired connection. Connecting is super easy. You just hold the pairing button for a few seconds and the LED around the joystick begins to blink. Each color represents a mode: blue for PC, green for Android, red for Switch, and purple for iOS. Once paired, the controller automatically remembers the device, so you never have to repair again. Whether you're gaming on your phone, laptop, or console, it just works seamlessly. That's what makes it so impressive. And of course, the lights. Let's be honest, half the fun of a controller like this is watching it glow while you play. The BLITZ2 TMR comes alive with its RGB lighting system. Every button and stick has a soft glow The mechanical TMR triggers make every shot crisp and instant. The vibration feedback is strong and realistic. You can literally feel every crash, explosion, and sword clash. Input lag? Practically zero, even on Bluetooth. The analog sticks are responsive, aiming feels accurate, and the macros are a real advantage in fast-paced games. Battery life was also better than I expected, around 12 to 15 hours of nonstop gaming, and it recharges in roughly 2 hours through USB-C. Whether wired or wireless, the BLITZ2 TMR just delivers. After spending over a week with the BIGBIG BLITZ2 TMR, I can honestly say this is one of the best multi-platform controllers I've ever used. It combines the solid feel of a premium build, the sharp response of mechanical triggers, the freedom of wireless play, and the eye-catching glow of RGB design, all in one package. Sure, the app interface could be a little smoother, but that's minor compared to how well everything else works. So if you're looking for a controller that feels professional, performs flawlessly across multiple devices, and just looks awesome, this one's a total win. Thanks for watching, gamers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, keep gaming, stay sharp, and as always, game on.